Bilal is not here. I think it's in Oman now. So we pray to Almighty Allah to accept all our prayers here and to bless us all and to let us return back to the United States of America with good heart and in good condition. May Allah put barakah in all what we do in our life, and may Almighty Allah bless those people who think about building this masjid and they put it up the way it is. Even no Christian will come here without changing his mind or our mind to become a Muslim. And this is a land of Prophet Muhammad. This is a land where some people call terrorists. No terrorist can build this type of masjid. This is a very beautiful masjid. Nobody will destroy your property when he knows he has the best of property in this world. So we thank Almighty Allah for making us Muslims, because nobody can become a Muslim except Allah permits him to be a Muslim. So I'm very happy that I'm a Muslim, and all Muslims all over the world, we are happy that we are Muslims and we are in the month of Ramadan. May Almighty Allah bless us with the month of Ramadan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna atainaka al-kawthara fasalli li rabbika waniyar. Inna shaniyaka wal abtar. Allahumma amin.